Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn scientific name of vitamins, only way. Start by grouping vitamins into fat-soluble and water-soluble lists and label each with its chemical name. Focus on one family at a time and note shared prefixes or suffixes. Create simple flashcards pairing names with functions and structures. Review aloud daily and test recall with quick quizzes to lock names into memory in a friendly, repeatable routine. Begin with friendly mnemonics that tie chemical stems to everyday uses and foods, making names stick. Add those flashcards into a spaced repetition app and review on a predictable schedule. Say names aloud while picturing molecular endings to separate similar-sounding terms. Mix quick self-quizzes into daily routines and reward correct recall to build momentum. This approach turns abstract chemical names into memorable, meaningful chunks you will recall with less effort. If you are finding this helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for playing study prompts, setting repetition timers, or listening to recorded mnemonics hands-free. It makes learning feel effortless and a bit fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Practice actively by writing each scientific name 3 times while speaking it to reinforce memory pathways. Create matching quizzes linking names to functions or common food sources for quick checks. Teach a friend or record short audio lessons to explain each name. Teaching reinforces your knowledge deeply. Keep sessions short and frequent, and track progress so you focus on names that still cause hesitation, turning weak spots into strengths gently and efficiently.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.